Hi everybody, Polly and Nina here from Property Brokers, and today we've got a cracking unit come townhouse for you.
Yep, and it is so CBD, and I love a house that's a short stroll to town, but I'm going to come and show you.
Love a good cozy lounge, loads of light, loads of sunshine. Hey Polly, chuck me a walnut.
Sure. Do you like a walnut? Master bedroom is absolutely gorgeous and has double glazing.
And of course it's got a brand spanking new bathroom. Who doesn't love that?
Crikey, Nina, this bedroom's huge as well, isn't it? This is a perfect house to retire into. 1.5 garaging, bricks, some double glazing, central, love it.
Super modern. Look, you need to come and view. We're Polly and Nina. We're the PNN in Palmy North Real Estate. Call us.